welcome back to the Syclone blog. Today I'm going to actually show you what Syclone is and how I use it to manage my data from a remote server which we've set up for our beta test. So the first thing we're going to do is open it up on the command line at the moment, but with the Kickstarter campaign we'll be looking to fund it as a standalone package that you can launch from your applications directory or whatever platform you're on. So yeah, this is the basic interface of Syclone. As you can see, it's quite simple. This is what we're looking at here is a representation of my file system on the server that I've got running as the beta test for Syclone. So through the internet, this is receiving information from that server, and they're already starting to talk to each other. So it's given us the root level directory of what's on that server, and we'll go navigate through the Syclone beta test that I've set up here. So you can see here that now we're starting to navigate down through the folders to the stuff that's on the server. So we're going to plate 2 here. You can see here in the visual effects industry we use a very hierarchical structured folder structure, which is why Syclone is such a perfect tool for the VFX industry, because it will keep everything up to date and in sync, and all the folders will correspond both on the server side and also on your home computer. So here we can see a sequence of images. So we've got 83 frames in this sequence. Now to get started on my work, I might not necessarily need the whole sequence, but if I wanted to select the whole sequence, I could simply click on the plate 20 folder and begin downloading. For this test I'm just going to select a couple of random frames that I actually want to download. So they're the random frames I've selected, and the one thing that you'll notice over some of the other sort of cloud transfer systems is that we're looking at the files before we've actually even transferred them. So if I now go and press Syclone, you'll see that these progress bars come up, and so it's doing a multi-thread download at the moment. So it's downloading 2 frames, and then it's giving us an overall progress on that folder. So let's go into my finder here. We'll go to Film, Test, and so we were working the Syclone beta area of the from the server, and here you can see shot 80 we were working on, source, and we're working on plate 20. So I've already partially downloaded some of plate 10, which you'll see here. I've downloaded 1, 26, 47 and 83. And if I go back to Syclone, you'll see that if I go into plate 1, you'll see that I've actually got frame 1, 26, 47, 65 and 83 already downloaded, and they're green, telling us that they're in sync with one another. The timestamps on both ends will both correspond exactly the same. If the timestamps don't correspond, then there'll be a conflict of what the file status is. So here you can see that in plate 20, frame 1 and 15 have started. That one's partially downloaded, this one's nearly fully downloaded, and now it's just started on frame 10. So you can see that it gives you a very easy way to know what's sort of going on with the download, and because of how the system's set up, it mirror images the directories, hence the name Syclone, which is synchronized clone. So that concludes our demo for the day. I hope everyone enjoyed checking out the tool in action. Hopefully over time we'll be able to show you more real world cases of it in action. Like I mentioned, we're going for our Kickstarter campaign soon and hopefully be shooting a video. Hope everyone can jump on board and support us. Please share this around as much as possible. We need more and more people to jump on board to make this a reality. So hope you all enjoyed today's session, and I'll see you next time.